It's fucking thunder and lightning and all that bullshit here. As you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see the freaking rain, but it's raining, you know. It's raining here in Independence. Look at that fucking car right there. That's a Dodge Challenger. I want one so fucking bad. It's not even funny. But yeah, it's really fucking raining over here. How beautiful is that, y'all? How fucking beautiful is that? Yeah. It's fucking... Now it's really coming down right now. I don't know if you guys can hear the thunder, but shit. Yeah, now you guys can see that. It's like right here. So yeah, it's fucking raining over here. That's what's up. Yeah, get away. But it's raining over here, y'all. Hear that? That's thunderous. What's it like in y'all's neck of the woods, I wonder? Yeah. It's raining. Up.